I've been talking to mirrors like they owe me the truth. Every crack in the glass feels like something I knew. I keep burying answers under jokes and control, but tonight I got tired, so I'm talking to my soul. I've been running from shadows like they don't know my name, but they follow my footsteps. Every step feels the same. So I address my soul, both the dark and the light, the parts I hide in the day, and the ones that come alive at night. I address my soul, every bruise, every scar. If I don't learn to love all of me, I won't know who I are. I tried cutting the pieces that don't look good on stage, but the mess is the message, and the flaws write the page. I've been chasing perfection like it's something I'm owed, but I'm tired of pretending I don't feel what I know. Every time I deny it, I feel smaller inside, like I'm locking the door on the part that survives. So I address my soul, both the dark and the light, the fear that keeps me awake, and the hope that still fights. I address my soul, every bruise, every scar. I don't need to be fixed to be exactly who I are. If I only love the shine, then I'll hate myself in rain. If I only praise the calm, then I'll fear my own pain. So I'm standing in the middle, not running anymore. If this is who I am, I don't need something more. I address my soul, not to blame, not to fight, but to sit with the truth in the dark and the light. I address my soul.